Here in this video, I will discuss about the natural system of classification, right? So first of all, I want to say when the globe or the earth is created by the God, so there was one family and the family starts increasing, right? One's family and the family tree started to increase, right? So after a certain time, when the members of the family has increased, it become more problematic to identify each of us, right? That's why to identify in prehistoric time, human being created Kabila. We also divided and categorizes us on the basis of our look, our language, our living style in society, right? And we also developed family system, caste system, and on the basis of geography we also divided us. Therefore classification of the organism become very important, okay? Due to the complexity of the much and more number of the population, our scientists thought there should be a logical and systematic study of our environment, our surroundings. That's why we required classifications on the basis of certain qualities, certain characteristics of animal, plant, bacteria, whatever available living beings or non-living beings are on the globe, right? One scientist in 1758, Carlos Linnaeus, gave a very general classification of the system that is known by two kingdom system, right? He named it, right? So what was the two kingdom? He named one as plantae, right? And another one animalia. Generally we say animal and plant. So there is the two kingdom, that is a major division. One is plant and another is animal, right? Now further, Linnaeus gave a general plan of classification, right? And which is more important to understand because this general plan is also valid today, and this gives more scientific way of classifying the animal, plant on the basis of the certain characteristic. Now I am going to explain about the Linnaeus general plan of classification of the organism, right? We know that studying about the organism present on the globe is not an easy task. That's why the scientists have categorized, or we can say classified, the organism based on the common characteristics to the various level, okay? We say this as taxonomical classification, okay? So Linnaeus categorized the organism based on the common characteristics, right? The highest level or taxonomic rank is here, start from the bottom, right? And the first rank we say here is domain, right? The domain is the top taxonomical rank while classifying the organism, right? That means as we go above the triangle, that means we will proceed towards the lower taxonomical ranks. Organism have more common characteristics as we proceed towards the lower taxonomical rank, but at the highest level of the taxonomical rank, the organism has less number of common characteristics, okay? So when I will explain you with the reference of this big cat, then you can easily understand why this classification has been done and why Linnaeus general plan is best till now. So the first is the first level or taxonomical rank is called domain, right? The organism belongs to the domain have lesser number of the common characteristic. The next higher level is kingdom, right? After that phylum, and thereafter class, order, yes, right? The lowest rank is species. And when we study the organism belonging to the species, we will notice that the organisms have more number of the common characteristics. Okay, I want to explain this taxonomical rank with the help of this big cat example, right? I will illustrate the domain of this cat, the kingdom, its phylum, its class, its order, its family, so that we can understand this, right? The domain of the cat is eukarya. Now I can say how many types of domain are there. There are 3 domain: archaea. Similarly, there are 2 major kingdom. We know plant kingdom and animal kingdom, right? And we know the phylum are also of actually 2 type: chordate. After that, there is a various class, like we can say, I'm writing on the right side, but the class 6 student are not required to go up to this level. Only 2 or 3 names giving is sufficient. Okay, thereafter the order has also, after mainly I want to say for the class 6 student, it is of 2 types: carnivorous and herbivorous, right? Carnivorous means who eat flesh, and herbivorous who eats plant, right? After that, the next lower level is family, right? For defining family, there is no any hard and fast rule. There are so many family. For example, this cat belongs to, there are other family. Okay, we see the apes, like their family is hominid. Similarly, there are other family like herb, okay, tree, etc., right? After that, these smallest taxonomical level is genus and species, right? We have listened about the scientific name. The scientific name is consists of the 2 words. The first one is genus and last one is species, right? Now I'm going to write the taxonomical name of these big cats as per given criteria of the taxonomical rank. Its domain is eukarya. Eukarya, it means that their cell have nucleus, right? So it's belongs to eukarya domain, and its kingdom is very simple. We know it is of animal kingdom, right? And what is its phylum? Its phylum is chordate. It is a chordate animals. That means it have vertebrae, right? Backbone. Okay. Now next comes, it is a mammal, right? It is a mammals. Okay. Its order is herbivorous or carnivorous, I told you. So it is a carnivorous. This animal eats flesh. Okay. And what is its family? Its family is Felidae, and its genus is very important, Puma, or we also say Puma, and its species is concolor, right? Concolor. So I didn't explain the above 2 things, genus and species taxonomical rank. Actually, when we asked to write the scientific name of this big cat, so we write Puma concolor, Puma concolor, right? Okay, that means the species of concolors are more similar, maximum similar, right? And after that, Puma is its genus. So there are also other type of the cats who belongs to the genus Puma, right? So this is an example of categorizing the big cat with various types of the taxonomical rank. We can have a bigger idea if we know the taxonomical rank of any organism, right? Because there is a common characteristics of domain, kingdom, phylum, class and other taxonomical ranks. So if we choose any organism, then and if we know this taxonomical rank of that organism, so we need not to remember or memorize everything about every animals, right? I think this explanation was sufficient for clarifying the taxonomical rank given by the Linnaeus, which many students of lower class of grade 6 are facing the problem in understanding what is this general plan of classification, right? So now they will have idea what is this taxonomical ranks and why it is necessary. It is necessary to make our study simple, right? Because if we know about this taxonomical characteristic, then we can define many things about a particular organism available on this earth, right?